In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Audible subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to start your free trial if you're eligible. Begin by opening Audible on your device. You can launch the Audible app on your phone or tablet, or go to the Audible website on your computer. Make sure you're connected to the internet so pages load quickly and you see the latest plan options. If you're prompted to log in, sign in with your Amazon account. Audible is part of the Amazon family, so the same credentials apply. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight to your home screen. If you see any security checks, just follow the on-screen prompts to verify. It's a good idea to double-check that you're on the official Audible app or website before entering any details. Next, open your profile and head into Settings. On most devices, your profile icon is near the top or bottom corner of the screen. Tap or click it, then choose Settings. This is where you manage your account preferences and anything related to billing and membership. Inside Settings, find and select the membership option. This section shows your current status, plan details, and the place to start, change, or upgrade your subscription. If you're not currently a member, you'll see prompts to begin. Now choose the plan that fits your listening habits. Take a moment to read the plan descriptions, including how many credits you get, what's included, and the monthly price after any trial period. For this walkthrough, select the Try Standard Free option. Offers can vary by region and time, so glance over the fine print to understand exactly what's included in your trial. You'll be asked to link a debit or credit card to your account. If you already have a card saved to your Amazon profile, it may appear automatically. Confirm that the card and billing address are correct. Even if you're starting a free trial, a valid payment method is required for renewal once the trial ends. Finally, click Start Free Trial or Confirm Subscription. If you're a new and eligible user, you'll receive the first 30 days free, and after that, your subscription will auto-renew at the standard rate unless you cancel. You should see a confirmation on screen and, typically, an email receipt. As a helpful tip, consider setting a reminder a few days before the trial ends so you can decide whether to continue. That's it. Your Audible membership is active, and you're ready to explore and listen.